passing messages via the session. This is a way to pass messages across page redirections. The first thing I did was modify photouploads.php. Here's photouploads.php. If the photo save is successful, then instead of just assigning $message to be photograph uploaded successfully, now we are using a setter for the session class to set its message attribute to the string photograph uploaded successfully. And then we are redirecting to the script list photos.php. What the setter will do is, well, let's go and take a look. Okay, so when the message method is used as a setter, it will assign this message string to the session message superglobal, which actually will store it in the session file. So I added check message and message, those two methods, to session.php. I also added the message attribute. Let me go all the way to the top. Or actually, let's just go back. See this? This is the message attribute. I also added check message to the constructor. We called this function here. And all the way at the end, Shift G, I assigned the variable $message to be the attribute for the session. Notice that the method check message, when it is checking the session for a message and assigning that message to the attribute, as soon as it does that, it also does an unset to the message in the session. That way, this message is only valid for the current page load. The next page load, there will be no message in the session. Also, let's go up here. The message method, it can act either as a setter or a getter for the message. Note that the message method, when it's acting as a setter, does not set the session object's message attribute. Also, another change which I made. First, let me see which file I'm in here. Control G. Okay, I'm in session. Okay, let me get out. List. Photos. Okay, you will notice that right here, I've also made sure that I have this line, which outputs the message. And I put it in list photos. It was already in upload photos. The other thing which I did was remove, there was an initialization of $message for this script and the other one, upload photo. Yeah, there was a line in there that set the $message variable. I removed that because that's not needed and it would mess things up also. So these are basically the changes which I made in order to be able to have a message which traverses the barrier between two pages, you know, a redirect. And also I added that redirect so that our upload page redirects after a successful upload to the list photos page.